Class 10th students, and today we have to solve harder questions regarding first chapter of physics, that is the electricity. In my opinion, some questions are typical, and so that I would like to give you description study for you, and I hope you all stay at home and stay safe. Whenever if you go out, then you must use mask and maintain social distancing whenever if it is very necessary. Now some problems based on NCERT books regarding physics. Today I will give you solution of some harder questions regarding this electricity chapters, and if you will also feel some difficulty in this chapter, you must raise questions. I am just repeating again and again, you must raise these questions and put it on WhatsApp, then and contact with your school management, then he will give you proper information about the questions to me, and I will try to my best to give you adequate solutions of the concerning question. So let's we have a look on some questions. Problem number 1: two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameter are first connected in series parallel in the circuit. Across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combinations. देखो प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आप लोगों को ये बता दूं कि इस विषम परिस्थिति में जो विद्यालय की ओर से आपको शिक्षा की व्यवस्था, एजुकेशन की व्यवस्था की जा रही है, उसको आप गंभीरता से लें, क्योंकि ये जो लॉकडाउन की स्थिति है बेटा, ये मैं आपको बताते चलूँ, ये कई महीने तक चल सकता है, क्योंकि जब भी अभी स्कूल खुलेगा अभी तो जुलाई के बाद, जुलाई तक में, इससे पहले स्कूल के खुलने की कोई दूर दूर तक संभावना नहीं है। तो आप लोगों से मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसे गंभीरता से लीजिए। फर्स्ट चैप्टर के मैंने सारे जो हार्डर क्वेश्चंस थे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के वो मैंने बता दिया है। अभी जो मैं आपको हीटिंग इफेक्ट पढ़ाया हूँ इसमें ये क्वेश्चन कुछ ज़्यादा ही इम्पॉर्टेंट था, इसीलिए मैं इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ आज मैं बता दे रहा हूँ, और एक दो क्वेश्चंस मैं आज और बता करके इस चैप्टर्स को मैं यहीं ब्रेक कर दूंगा और कल से बायोलॉजी शुरू हो जाएगी। तो मैं आप सारे बच्चों से कहना चाहूँगा कि आपके पास में फिर भी इस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर से कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा रह गया हो जो मैं नहीं बता पाया हूँ या फिर आपको समझने में दिक्कत हुआ है, वो आप क्वेश्चन जरूर रेज करें। Now here we see we can watch here two conducting wires of the same material and of equal length and equal diameter are first connected in series and then in parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. Here the potential difference is same. So suppose the resistances of each of the two wires is X. Solution आप देख लीजिए। Let the resistance is X in the circuit. Okay. So here when it is connected in series, then the resultant resistance will be R1 is equal to X plus X, because two resistances, so that this is the 2X ohm. We have to find out, and if the potential difference in the circuit be on applying Ohm's law, what will be the current? Current is equal to what? From Ohm's law, as we know, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V oblique R. So V by R1, this one is equal to V by 2X. V by 2X. Up for the first in series heat, how much heat is produced? Let H1 heat is produced in series connection. Then what we will have to do? H is equal to I square RT. So that H1 is equal to I, this is the V बटे 2X whole square, R into R is 2X into T. Is it clear? Now calculate it. V square oblique 4X square into 2X into T. Write it fast. It's a very important question. So always Key very carefully observe it, and then after try to solve yourself first, and then if you will be unable to understand, then check from my solution. Let's. Therefore, h1 is equal to v square by 2x into t. This is the heat produced in series connection. This is the heat produced series connection. Now for the second case, if the resistances are connected in parallel, then the total resistance will be 1 by R to, you can say, 1 by x plus 1 by x. This one is equal to 2 by x, or R2 is equal to x by 2 ohm. Current I is equal to V by R. This is I to V by R. This one is equal to xy 2. This one is equal to V by 1 into 2y. X is equal to 2V by x ampere. Heat produced is H2 equal to what? As we know that H2 is equal to I square RT. To V by R2 this one is 2 equal to 4 V square oblique x square into x by 2 into 2. Yeah, 4 x is cancelled. Now it is 2 V square by x into t. Therefore, H2 is equal to 2 V square t by x. This one is the second equation, and that will be the H1 was the first one. Now we have to find out the ratio. H1 by H2. V square by 2x into t oblique 2 V square t by x. This one v square t by 2x into x by 2 v square t. 1 by 4. This one is equal to 1 is to 4. That is 4 times heat will be more in parallel connection. Thus, we see that in the above condition, heat produced in parallel will be more. Meanwhile, you write it, and meanwhile I am just taking another question. Now, the very important question of this electricity chapter, page number 44, question number 50. Page number 44, question number 50. This figure shows that the entire system is in parallel combination, but here the three resistances are combined in series, 20 ohm, 10 ohm and 20 ohm. The entire system is series, parallel, some such type of. So how we will have to find the total resistance of this circuit? This is a very crucial question. First of all, we will have to find out the resistance of this figure from here. Here R1 is 10 ohm. Once again R2 20 ohm. R3 10 ohm. R4 20 ohm. R5 30 ohm. R6 10 ohm. And first of all, we have to find out the total resistance. In this one is 20, 10 and 20. These are connected in series, and we have to find out the resistance with this one, then it will be the parallel. In that case, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R2, 1 by R5 plus 1 by R2 plus R3 plus R4. This one is equal to 1 by R is equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 10 plus 20. This one equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 50. LCM will be 150. 8 by 150. Therefore, resultant R will be 1 by 50 by R. The entire resistance will be now from A to B in the figure. R1 plus R plus R6. This one 10 plus 1 5 laddu by 8 plus 10. 20 plus 1 5 laddu by 8. 1 6 laddu plus 1 5 laddu by 8. Laddu by 8. Now divide. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. 1 2 5 is 10. 2 2 is now 155 by 4 ohm 4